Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. One of the guys in our shop is a huge Trump supporter. He's going to go to a rally this weekend at the county fairgrounds here in Taney County for a demolition derby. He's going to set up, sell a bunch of Trump stuff, some cups that we've done here in the shop for him. And he wanted to do a pair of shoes that were going to be just a little over the top. So I said, we have got to do a video on this. So we're pretty apolitical. I'd kind of identify myself as more of a lazy independent than anything else. But once I saw the idea he had for these shoes, I said, we got to do a video on that. So we've got all the stencils cut for him. They're all kind of prepped and ready to go. All we did was kind of make sure they were good and cleaned up, took the laces out. He's going to stencil them. They're white shoes. And then we're just going to spray habanero red over top of them. We're going to then air cure them for the 8 minutes to get all the solvent off. And then we're going to pop them in the oven at 150 for about an hour. It's usually good enough to get them good and dry. You're not really hardening it out. You just want to make sure it's just good and set. We'll pop them out. We'll take some pictures at the end and show you what they look like. Other than that, we're just going to let the camera run and see what we get. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check us out at bransoncerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.